Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ian as a Weirdo. Today we had a very successful auction, so thank you all for participating. Sorry, I lost my voice there. Thank you all for participating, and I really enjoyed it. I had a great time, and it was so great to spend so much time with you all. Thank you all for sticking out through the end, or as long as you could. It was a very long auction. I did not anticipate that it was going to be that long. In fact, I thought it was going to be 30 minutes. So when we hit 2 hours at the end of the auction, I was like, oh my gosh, this is insane. But I wanted to record a little video because I got a package, a very cute package with pink stars all over it from Grammy Colleen. And this is super special to me because I put kind of a, okay, first of all, this is not what I expected when this whole thing started. I did not expect people to actually send me yarn. That wasn't my intention. I was looking for yarn that was either plush from Premier that is sold at was sold at Dollar Tree, or I was looking for a yarn like it. And really, I was looking for a yarn like it so I could buy it, put it on my Christmas list, because it makes really cozy socks. It is such a fun yarn to put through the my Centro. So I kind of put a call out like, hey, does anyone know a similar yarn? And some amazing people, including Grandma Colleen, reached out to me and said, hey, I have some plush yarn. I'd be happy to send it to you. And I was like, oh, what? That is crazy. Because no one ever sent me anything, which is fine. I'm good that way. I don't need everyone to send me stuff, but I'm very thankful when people do send me stuff. It is very nice. So I don't know what colors are in here, but I am pretty sure that this is the plush yarn. So let's open this bad bitch up and see. It's a little wrinkled. That light just got brighter. Okay. So I'm trying to make sure I don't cut yarn. That's the worst, right? I've never done it, but it would just be the worst. Okay. Okay, I see some yarn up in here. Okay, so we got some just yarn, and we got more than I even felt in the package. Okay, so we got this beautiful color. So this is called Sunflower. Oh, it's so soft. I love this yarn. It's good yarn. It's good stuff. And then let's see. We got this one, which is called Burnt Orange. I think I have this one, or something a little bit more brown. I think it's this one. So I got this one as well. And then I got, whoa, this is even floofier. Oh my goodness. And this is called Creme Brulee. So that's what I got from Grammy Colleen. I'm so excited about these skeins, and I can't wait to make some socks with them because they are just so freaking soft. So I wish you could feel it through the screen. But aren't these colors gorgeous? This color Creme Brulee is giving me life. It's everything I've ever wanted. So I can't wait to use these. Thank you so much, Grammy Colleen, for sending this to me. I really appreciate it, and I hope to have some new socks very soon. So I hope you all have a great evening, morning, day, wherever you are, and thank you so much for everything today. And thank you for the yarn, and thank you for everything. I'm just like, I'm gushing. So, thank you, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.